Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up to the sun, my reading lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. Today is another wonderful, marvelous Merch Monday, yay! Now, I was scrolling on Instagram and this ad popped up of this Sanrio mystery box that was at a discount. If I can find any of the pricing, I will put it up throughout this video. Essentially, the mystery box is themed to a Sanrio character of your choice, and I chose my boy Bochaco! So this is how it came from China. I believe the company is based out of China. But before we get into that, I have one item I'd like to share. Oh my gosh, and it's this Bochaco Dairy Queen tote bag. Oh my gosh. It has furry blue handles, and I love the yellow. And there he is in his little polka dot outfit, and I like this pattern below. And so this is stitched on, so soft, but his foot is like a 3D element. And you have the DQ ice cream, which are called blizzards. If you haven't had a DQ blizzard, I mean, have you even lived? I'm just kidding. But essentially, I mean, this was like a staple in my childhood growing up, going to Dairy Queen, ordering a basket of French fries and just dipping that into your blizzard of choice. So it's just, delicious. And the back is just plain yellow. This is fluffy all over. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's nice and lined. It also comes with this bunch of bananas as a bag charm. Oh my gosh. It does have like a little button, so you can just snap it together, and that way things aren't falling out. New Yorkers are notorious for having a bag of some kind as they are out and about. So I just love this little tote. This is perfect to take to a cafe. If you're going shopping for something relatively light, you're not overdoing it, this is a wonderful option. This, in fact, is what caught my eye, and so I intended just to purchase this, but then I saw that they were having a sale on the mystery box, and because of that, I went to go ahead and take a chance to see what happens. So this is what the box looks like. I'm really impressed at the detail in this box, and it has this really cute little saying there. It says, "May the joy and happiness around you always." Something about the grammar of that is just like, okay. The heart says, "Best wish for you." So that's a nice little sentiment. I will say though, getting this box was not the easiest process. Essentially, they had used some random third-party delivery service, and I was not available when they were delivering. And so because the person didn't want to follow directions, it ended up being sent back. I had to wait for them to resend it because they had to go ahead and inspect that nothing was touched, because this was a final sale item. So there was like no refunds. All they could do was return it to me with my very pointed instructions of a more successful transfer. What am I expecting inside, you ask? Well, I'm expecting like just little stationary items. Like, I don't know, I didn't really get a chance to see what all was available to me because this is a blind box. Like, I literally have no idea what they put in here, but I am expecting some stationery. Beyond that, I really have no clue. So this is the sneak peek inside. Here they are. Good choice. This is, yes, this is them. Buyer beware. This is not sponsored. Just know that you must be very adamant about how you're receiving the package. But I will say they have a really great customer service, even though it wasn't delivered in the fashion that I was hoping for. I mean, the whole process took about 2 months to get to me after the fact. And this wasn't cheap, but I will go ahead and put all the information down below. Okay, so I'm correct. I was expecting some stationery, but we have really cute little Bochaco here. Oh my gosh, this little bum bum. And what this is like a little note card, but it's foldable, so you can actually fold it like so. Really cute little note, perfect for sending out pin trading or whatnot, to have something cute like this. So I have 3 in total. I also sent this little Bochaco theme alphabet sticker sheet. Very cute. It's even better. Sorry for the glare. And it also has little buddies as associated with him. Then we got a packet of stickers. Super cute. I'm actually extremely impressed. Not one of these stickers is a repeat. Like, what? This is one of my favorites. Little chef, sleeping on the crescent moon. So cute. I like stickers but I'm really not a fan of like receiving a bunch of stickers. So I know they're part of a stationery staple, but those were okay. I'm good on stickers. Then it came with these little tiny puzzles, which is interesting. They put Pochoko on top. Also included a Kuromi and this little Halloween cinnamon roll. So cute, look at this little witch. And then we have a royal cinnamon roll, okay. We get to a part of someone, I have no clue what this is, but it's still cute for all of those pink girlies out there. It came in this little case. They included this spoon. Oh my gosh, look how round that is. It's extremely round. It says Pochoko, but it is a Sanrio licensed product. And then this cute comb was included. Has like little sparklies. Oh my gosh. Shape of a star. Very cute. Very fun. There he is. So adorbs. And then they included this in here. Cute little Kuromi pen. But it's like Lolita Kuromi. She's so cute. I know someone who would love this. Personally, I'm not going to keep this, but I will give this to someone. They include this hair clip. Okay. And then this little folio picture. I don't know if this is a magnet, but it's in here. And they have this little keychain here. And it's like is he a mermaid? Adorable. Here's one of the bigger items, which is like an acrylic water bottle. So this is plastic, it's not glass. And then this is the new series that they actually trying to release. They have a Funko like this coming up, and it's just them with treats. And it says his name, Pochoko. Very cute yellow top, but extremely basic at the same time. So, not bad item though. Let's take a nice little water bottle. Hair drying cap with Pochoko on it. That's what it looks like unwrapped. We have Pochoko's head, we have this little butterfly, and then there's this little button here, and the loops on the other side. Like, I'm not confused by this, but I've never used one of these. I think this looks the longest hair drying cap I've ever seen. But it's funny. I think that's really, it's an interesting item to include, and people use these, so why not? Then we have a much more significant plush, and this is him, and his little tag says Mezzi Piano since 1988. Has this clasp here, so that's great. This on the back is a little obnoxious. You probably want to cut that down. Super kawaii. Look at his little blush. I like when they can include a little blush element there. Then they also included what I would say is like a stationery holder where you can put all your stuff in here. Yeah. Ooh, see, this is what I was talking about. This is a sticky memo book. All those pads there available. I just love this houndstooth design. So cute. And green is my favorite color, so this is great. It's a better look without all the glare. The last item is this ball hang. Like, it has pockets, so I don't know what you would put in this, but it will not be able to hold any substantial fruit. But it is adorable. So again, I have no clue what I'll do with this, but it was included. So in total, I got about 17 items in that box, which isn't bad. Would I do this again? Absolutely not. And the only reason why is because there's just items in this box that I really don't foresee myself using. So they will either be donated or like put up for sale somewhere. Overall, still very, very cute items. Such a wonderful way to kind of build a Sanrio collection out. I would say though that the type of items found in this box, you could find it at Minoso. So because of that, it kind of gets a ding. Because if you're trying to set yourself apart as something like especially curated stuff, I would not do it with items that you can easily get at Minoso. But it being a mystery box, I had no idea. And was it worth the wait? Not really. There definitely are items that I'm going to use. But again, I will not be getting another box. But this all day, every day. I am very happy with this. This is really cute. This was a special edition that they come out with for Dairy Queen, so I love this. I would wish to have more of something like this versus items like this. Like, I have no use for these. But if you are interested and you just loved what you saw today, please go ahead, comment down below which item was your favorite. Who's your favorite Sanrio character? Let me know. Thank you again to my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this video out with someone who you think that might like it. August has been off to a great start, and we have many more wonderful videos to come, so please stay tuned. And with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!